Welcome back to Bangkok. Tonight we're heading out on a Saturday night. It's 7 p.m. and just got off the MRT at Silom, and we're going to have a look at the Patpong Night Market, the world famous Patpong Market. So let's have a wander around the Silom area and see what we can find. Rotty ladies over there. If you've seen the Rotty lady on YouTube, she's down that side street over there. That's a bright sign. Must cost them a fortune to keep that running. Did you see that back there? Shockwave. It was going up.
$170. Yeah, okay. For you, $150. Okay.
$150. Cool. Thank you. $150 part for a t-shirt. No. Yeah, swirl it up. No,
buy ticket, one person, 300, and all shows start now.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the bar.
No, we're just going to go and have some dinner first. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate. So if you're coming here with kids, you've got to realise that before you even get into Patpong Market, they're going to try and get you to go to a sex show. So just be aware of that if you don't know or already know about Patpong. Oh, the other guy, he was grabbing as well. There we go. There we go.
Happy hour.
Happy hour. It's always happy hour here. Second one. It's always interesting. Didn't they have all the food stores down here? It's only 7 o'clock and they're trying to get you into the shows. Sticky rice, 100 baht. So you're going to pay pretty high prices here. Oh yeah, those prices are pretty high, aren't they? Yeah. At least they've got plenty of seats lined up here. All right, let the fun begin.
So cute. Salong. Party mo daw.
Oh, Gucci hats.
Blue and pink. This is it.
Sorry, Carl.
Yasui Katara.
Oh, Louis Vuitton.
No, I was just looking at this one for a bag with a zip, which is quite good.
How heavy's that?
Heavy. They look really good with the actual zip, so hey, instead of just being like that.
Oh yeah. Can I have the zip on the top? There's no shortage of bags. All the fake Louis.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, nice baton. Baton.
Yes.
Yeah.
Safety ประธาน
How much for that?
800. I want to open shop. I give you 500 for now.
500. 500. 500.
Okay, 300 ไหม
300.
We did.
We can't take it home.
200.
200.
Mini fans, sir.
Yeah, he was down to 200 baht without even trying to negotiate for an S baton, one of those extendable batons that you can't take home in most places. Supreme leader.
That's for you.
That T-shirt would wind a few people up. More batteries. Taser. Taser. Yeah.
They smell so good. Sorry, car. It smells really nice.
Smell that one.
Don't smell that one. You smell that one. How much are the soaps? 90 baht. 90? Okay.
Thank you. 90 baht for soap. I think you can get, how many you can get? 5 for 100 or something at Shutterchuck Market?
Yeah.
And 90 baht here for one. For one small one. Oh, you got all your fake sneakers? Louis Vuitton toilet bag. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, hello. How much is that? Oh, get the calculator out.
Yeah. What's up?
19, huh?
Yeah, what 1900?
Woohoo!
It's like some size.
Yeah.
To be done. How much you give me?
Oh no, we're not looking for a toilet bag, thanks.
How much?
But-
I guess the discount.
Oh yeah, no.
you?
Thank you. 0? Was that 0? Just trying. Better go back for her, she's still there. Couldn't talk you into it? No, thanks buddy. I don't know.
It's really cheap, really.
What did he start at? 1900?
19, yep.
He started at 1900 and he was down to 800 for the Louis Vuitton toilet bag. How's it going there, babe? It's always
It's always fun to come through these rooms.
it's always a eye opener.
มีแฟนอะไรประมาณเด็กอะไรประมาณ
7-Eleven t-shirt. Support 7-Eleven.
One beer.
One beer. We have one beer.
Okay.
No thanks, mate. So, there you go, babe. Thank you.
That's a sexy little ensemble.
Yeah. Oh, here's my son. Here's some undies. Might get a bit sweaty.
There you go. Get some red ones. These babies.
Not big enough. Wonder if it's got extra large.
Extra large.
What's that? Yeah. There's a lot more tables here. What are you up to, you little bugger? Well, that was the Patpong Night Market. What did you think? You think you're going to come and visit? Let's get across this road here. Thanks, mate. Yeah, so what did you think? Would you come and visit the Patpong Night Market? The prices can start a little bit high, but as you saw, they're very negotiable. So yeah, it's definitely worth a visit. If nothing else, it's just the people watch and look around, because it's a very interesting place. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later, and mind the rats.